The Hypergeometric Distribution Interactive Calculator solves probability problems for sampling without replacement from finite populations. Let's review the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include exact probability, px(k), cumulative probability, px(k), complement, pxk, range probability, pa int das x, int das b, expected value and variance, and required sample size. For this demonstration, I'm using exact probability. Next, enter population size n, which is the total population count. Then input successes in population k, the number of success items in that population. Add your sample size n, the number of items you're drawing. Finally, enter successes in sample k, the number of successes you want to calculate the probability for. Here's a worked example. With population size 100, successes in population 20, sample size 10, and successes in sample 3, click Calculate. The output shows pxer3 equals 0.209208, which converts to a percentage of 20.9208%. This represents the probability of getting exactly 3 successes in a sample of 10 drawn from a population of 100, with 20 total successes. This tool streamlines hypergeometric probability calculations for quality control and acceptance sampling. Find the link in the description below. These tools ensure accuracy in your engineering and statistical analysis.